Alright, in this video we're going to go over some of the settings menus inside Google Analytics. So once we're all logged in, we're going to go down here to admin, and the first one we'll look at is the account settings menu. Really the only thing you want to look for on this one is making sure that your country of business is correct, and then down here on the bottom making sure that your data processing terms, that agreement is up to date. Every once in a while they'll go out, they'll change something, and you can just update it and then click save. And so we'll go back. The next one we'll take a look at is the property settings. A few things in this menu that we want to pay attention to. The first one being that our URL is correct. Check that against the website, make sure it resolves just like what we have here. And so if we go home, so it is HTTPS and brandhawk.com, no www, which is correct over here. That's what we want to see. The next one we'll take a look at is industry category. If it applies to your website, there's only a few different categories in here. I think with this one, we're going to go with internet and telecommunications. And then we need to go down and we're going to turn on, or we're going to enable demographics and interest reports. And then we're also going to enable enhanced link attributes. And then we'll continue to scroll down here. And the next big one we need to pay attention to on this page is connecting our search console to analytics. So to do that, we'll just click add here, and Brandhawk is our property right there. Click on that and then continue and associate, and we'll jump back over to analytics here and we'll hit refresh. So you can see here we've got the search console property added to analytics. So we'll click save, we'll go back, and then the last one we'll look at is the view settings. Once again, we'll double check that we've got the URL correct, which it is, and then you want to make sure you've got the correct time zone for where you're at, which for us would be Chicago. If you want to set up a default page, so say you have subcategories that you want to track separately, you can do all that here. And we don't really have a site search on this website, but if we did, we would turn that on and be able to track the site search better. And then we also want to make sure that we have exclude hits from known bots and spiders. That way we can have the cleanest data that we can possibly get. And we'll click save. And that's it for the settings for the account, property, and views. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll see you in the next one.